The concentration lines plane can be found in the SASSE Library Effects Foreground. We can drag and drop that into our scene. Going to want to rotate it 90 degrees on the y-axis. Bring that up to our Suzanne, and then this is the effect that we end up with. So a little intense maybe without any heads up, but that is the sort of speed lines effect that we get. We can scale the lines up and down, so maybe you want fewer but larger lines. Maybe you want more smaller lines. You have a speed multiplier to control how fast it moves, and then a progress, which will take it from not happening to zoomed in as far as it can go, which sometimes is more than you would actually want because you probably don't want to cover up your subject. But something like that. And then you can have it animated and same thing.